To another home economics online class. Today we're making a Korean beef bibimbap dish. This is a one-pot dish. So download the recipe, and this is enough ingredients for 2 people. You will need the following: 1 1/4 cups of water, a clove of garlic, approximately 2 centimeters of ginger, 3 teaspoons of brown sugar, 100 grams of beef cut into strips, 8 sugar snap peas, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 2 eggs, a pinch of chili flakes, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, half a small carrot, half a Lebanese cucumber, a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, half a teaspoon of black and white sesame seeds, half a cup of jasmine rice. So after rinsing the rice with cold water, place into a microwave cooker, add the water to the microwave cooker and add the lids. Microwave on full power for approximately 8 minutes, and when the rice is done, make sure you leave the lid on and set aside. Now prepare the marinade. So add the garlic, add the chopped ginger, add the soy sauce, and if you fancy a bit of heat, you can also add the chili, and the sesame seeds are also optional. Add the beef, stir, and cover and leave for approximately 10 minutes. In the meantime, cut the carrots and the sugar snaps into fine matchsticks, half the cucumber and chop into half moons. So combine the mayonnaise and the rice wine vinegar and stir. And prepare the rest of the ingredients as shown. So let's begin by heat the pan and add some oil. We're going to saute the vegetables. So add the sugar snap peas and the carrots to the pan. And saute until soft for approximately 2 minutes. Then set aside. Remove from the pan and add some more oil to the pan, and now we're going to fry the meat. So make sure the pan and the oil is hot, and add the meat to the pan and fry for approximately 2 minutes until the meat is cooked. Now we're going to add some more oil to the pan, and this time we're going to fry the eggs. So add both eggs to the pan and cook the eggs. Now you're going to put it all together. So in the same dish, you're going to place everything around the edge and put the egg on top. Serve and enjoy. Home Eco Online.